No, David. David's mom always said, "No, David. No, David." See? He's standing on his stool trying to take the cookies. Sneaky boy. No, David, no. Look, you have to do like this. No, right? No. You don't have to fill the tub too much. See? What is it? Come back here, David. Is that funny? He's being David, be quiet. See? He's making noise. It's like, don't play with your food, David. Don't play with your food. See, this is David playing with his food, trying to make... No, that's enough, David. Whoa, bunch of fruits. Go to your room. That's David. Oh, maybe I have some pages. Settle down. See, he's jumping on his bed, waiting to be a Stop that this instance. See, you do not do like this. Whoa, he's the stinkiest boy. Put your toys away. Whoa. Not in the house, David. I said no, David. Davy, come here. Yes, David, I love you. The end.